Ooh, horn of unpleasantness. I like the horn.
How you holding up, buddy?
Abismal, master of the undead. I like the sound of that. Oh, shut up.
You've got a grip on this?
No! Get away! Ouch!
My nose, I'm petrified. Rude.
The antidote!
Give him to me.
Ah.
Don't smash that bird.
Oh! Safe!
Give me the vial. I'm turning to stone.
Think fast!
Give me that.
Iago, you were gonna sacrifice yourself for Agrippa. I'm sorry I doubted you.
Thanks. Get off. Off!
Don't ask me to explain this!
All right, Iago's back.
Oh, and acting strange.
No.
Your scales. Give me your scales!